Today we're going to see how fast the Tifgalop K8 can actually go. This is a dual motor electric scooter with a claimed 6,000 watts of power, and according to the specs, it should be capable of some pretty serious speed. But as always, claimed numbers and real world numbers can be completely different. So today I'm taking it out on a long straight, putting it into the fastest mode, and holding it completely wide open to see what the actual top speed is. For reference, I weigh around 82 kilos, so that will obviously have some effect on the result. The battery is fully charged, everything is ready, and honestly for something you stand on, this thing already feels ridiculously fast. So let's see what the Tifgalop K8 can really do. Okay. We should do the top speed run now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's hard because the wind is blowing this way. Yeah. Let's pass this guy. Hopefully he's not gonna turn in. Come on, go. Go. Go, brother, go. Okay, let's pass him. I don't care. That's them.